We are now ready to merge our records. If you want to have a trial run of merging, you can click on this button and you can view your merged data. So here you can see the name and address, the salutation, and at various points here, the extra information that we inserted. If I click this button off, I'm returned to my main document. The main document can be formatted as you require. So I'm just going to set up some colored areas here. So that when we merge, we can see exactly where the new merged data is appearing. I'll do the same thing here for the salutation, but I'll leave the name and address here because you can see that very clearly. So I'll click on this button again, and there you can see where the data has been inserted. Here you can see I'm looking at record number 1. I can use the next record button to have a look at the second record in my database, the third, the fourth, and so on. Or I can go back to the beginning using this button right away to the end, or backwards one record at a time. Then I click this button off. To actually perform the merge, I have got a variety of buttons here that I can utilize. This first button here will take to the main merge helper. Alternatively, I could choose Tools, Main Merge, and that will take me the same way. I can choose this button to check for errors. We saw this in action in the last lesson. I can simply mail merge my document and put all of the new merged records and letters into a brand new separate document. Or I can perform the merge and print the documents directly to a printer. Finally, I can click on this Mail Merge button. This opens my Merge dialog box, and again, I've got the same options as when I was looking at those buttons. I can merge to a new document, merge directly to the printer, or I've got the third option here of merging email. I can choose which records I'm going to merge, all of them or only a selection of records, and I have two options to choose from here. I can choose to not print blank lines when the data file is empty. So for example, you might not have a company name. You might have a title and an address, in which case if you don't want a blank line left where the company name normally appears, check this option. Or I can choose to have those blank lines left in when the data fields are empty. We look at the query options which we can get through here. I'll click close. And what I'll do is I'll merge my documents and keep them in a new document. This is a new document called Form Letters. And here you can see it's been set up as we saw in the example early. All the width of information have been slotted into place. I can scroll down, and at the end of each form letter, I have a section break. Pushing me onto a new page, and there are each of my documents. If I choose Window, Main Letter again, I could choose instead to use this button, which will merge my documents and print them out directly at the printer. Here's my print dialog box. I can set up all of my usual instructions.